Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to disable commenting on a Facebook post. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Locate the post for which you want to disable comments. In the top right corner of the post, tap on the three dots. From the options that appear, select who can comment on your post. Choose profiles and pages you mention to effectively prevent anyone from commenting, or select a specific group of people allowed to comment. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.